In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Omnisend for Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, apps, products, and sales channels. Make sure you are signed into the correct store before continuing, especially if you manage more than one Shopify account. Starting from the admin area keeps the setup process simple and helps you access the tools you need without any confusion. Once you are inside the Shopify dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Apps. From there, select Apps and Sales Channel Settings. This section is where Shopify lets you manage installed apps, discover new tools, and connect services that extend your store's functionality. Since Omnisend is used for email marketing and SMS, this is the correct place to begin adding it to your store. After that, go to the top right corner of the page and click Shopify App Store. This will open the marketplace where Shopify apps are available for installation. The App Store gives you access to tools built to work directly with your store, and using it ensures that you are installing the official app through Shopify's normal process. When the App Store opens, use the search bar to look for Omnisend email marketing and SMS. As the results appear, click on the app listing that matches that name. It is a good idea to quickly confirm that you are selecting the correct app before moving forward, so you avoid installing a different tool with a similar name. Next, click Install. This starts the app installation process and connects Omnisend with your Shopify store. Depending on your setup, Shopify may show you a permission screen. If that happens, review the requested access so you understand what the app will be able to do inside your store. This is standard when adding marketing apps, and it helps make sure Omnisend can sync customer and store data properly. Once you are redirected, create a new Omnisend account if you are setting it up for the first time, or log into your existing account if you already use the platform. This final step links your Shopify store with Omnisend so you can begin managing email marketing and SMS campaigns from your connected account. After you complete that login or sign-up process, the integration is in place, and you are ready to continue with your Omnisend setup inside the platform. That covers everything you need to know.